Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into your ProtonMail on desktop step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser on your desktop or laptop. Click the address bar at the top of the browser window. Type ProtonMail into the address bar. Press enter on your keyboard to load the Proton website. On the Proton homepage, look for the Sign In button. Click Sign In to open the login page. Make sure you are on the official Proton sign-in page with the ProtonMail domain. Find the field labeled email or username. Click inside the email or username field. Type your ProtonMail address or your Proton username. Move to the password field below. Click inside the password field. Type your Proton password carefully, paying attention to uppercase and lowercase letters. If you want to check what you typed, use the eye icon if it is available. If you are on a private or shared computer, do not enable any Stay Signed In option. If you are on your personal computer, you may enable Stay Signed In for convenience if you trust the device. Click the Sign In button to submit your login details. Wait a moment while Proton verifies your account. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, you will be asked for a verification code. Open your Authenticator app on your phone or device that generates the code. Find the Proton entry in the Authenticator app. Type the current 6-digit code into the verification field on the Proton page. Click Verify or continue to complete the sign-in. If you use security keys, follow the on-screen prompt and touch or confirm your key when requested. After logging in, you will be taken to your ProtonMail inbox. If you do not see your inbox, click Mail in the Proton app menu to open it. For security, confirm you are signed in by checking your account name or initials in the top corner. When you finish, use the Logout option from your account menu, especially on shared computers. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.